him before you introduced him to me. And then he was a musician, but he fell. I saw a video of him years ago, but then that when he did one video, and then I went to one video, but then after that, things changed, and I didn't see the same again.
Thanks for nice. I felt nice ministering again after a long time. I took a look at ministering.
No, I told my dad they want to.
Yeah, it was nice. It felt good. When you're standing on the altar, you sing praise or worship song. So thank you for hosting that.
You're very welcome.
But I talked to Anna about this. This is Christiana. Most of you know her. Those who don't know her, Christiana is Pastor's daughter, and she's one of the best designers we have in Africa. She's the best, I'm telling you. If you have not tried Christiana's outfits, you need to. She's one of the best. Thank you, Christiana, for hosting us.
You're very welcome.
Yeah. So Christiana and I were praying for Oscar because she saw Oscar's story and she wanted Oscar to. We prayed together and we prayed for healing about Oscar's leg, and we are happy that it's now 2 weeks, I think, that Oscar now puts on closed shoes. So yeah.
So Christiana, what do you do?
I'm feeling okay because I have a mission whereby I want to keep inviting musicians of the world to know God more, because most of them have fallen short, just like Oscar. He knew God and was doing music, but something happened, the devil touched his music and started plucking strings from his music and his business, and he fell short of the glory of God. So I wanted Bruno K to come to pray with God, and we thank God for his miraculous healing, for Oscar's miraculous healing, and I thank God that they came today and they prayed and they've been in a service, and God has performed a miraculous healing for Oscar, and we thank God and we continue to thank God for the good work Oscar's doing. For the good work Oscar will be doing and Oscar is doing for people, and I know he'll do amazing work for people. Bruno K is a good man. I mean, who in the time of COVID gets to help someone like Oscar? I mean, he helped that pastor take him to the hospital, get him all the medical care. I mean, it's amazing how he reached out to Oscar in a time like this. Like, if it was me, I mean, I would have to first get help, get people to help me to get help for Oscar, but he did it. He got fans, people helped, people saw the story, people gave, and it's an amazing thing that he did something like that. So he had a heart of God, and it's a good thing that he had a heart of God, and he saw that someone needed help. The Bible tells us, and God tells us, we must help people. We're put in this world to help people. So what he's done is a godly thing, and I thank God for that. So yeah.
For those who don't know you, are you a pastor also?
No, I'm not a pastor, but I want to minister the word of God around the world. People need to know God, because one day God's coming back and he'll rapture us. And not most of us know God. And we want to know God, and people should know God, because they've fallen short of the glory of God. They need to know God. Knowing God and having God in your heart is the best thing ever than having money, having this and that. Having God in your heart is more better than you having so many things of this world. We're not of this world, we're of God, because we're from the image of God, and we are God, God's children and God's people. So we need to know God more and have God more in our hearts, because God is what we need and God is what we live on. So yes. You're very welcome.
Very pleased. Very happy.
You're very welcome.
God bless you abundantly. And the pastor here in church.
You're very welcome. And thank you for giving your life to Jesus.
Oscar is shy. Oscar is shy.
He's just blessed. That's how he's always happy when he sees people.
I'm just humble.
Very happy.
I cannot jump. Okay.
Thank you so much for having a big heart. Thank you for being caring. And you're one of my friends who cares a lot. And I Thank you so much. Which is, it's good. Keep it up.
I was born
I think
with
that's
a
why
love.
we always like vibing as friends because we both have big hearts. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Ah, there we go.
Thank you again very much.
They're going to follow it.
Imagine another.
So you just supposed to?
Someone who is around the world shouting, they don't sing. Yeah.
I think now the word I'm just going to sing here is the Son of the Holy Spirit. Heavenly Father, we thank you for this amazing day. We thank you for Pastor Robert Kayanja. We thank you for Pastor Jessica. We thank you for the whole family, the Kayanja family. We thank you for Miracle Center, God. Thank you for my friend Christiana that she invited us to Miracle Center. Thank you for my brother Oscar. His life has been renewed again, God. God, we know that Oscar is going to be blessed. He's going to change his world. He's going to make a record, world records. And I know that he will never go back to the state that he was in. He is set for success, only God. And we pray for Christiana and her whole family. God, bless them for all the lives that they have touched, God. Bless them 1,000 and 1,000 more times, God. Bless this meal that we're going to have, God. In the mighty name we pray and believe. Amen.